Get ready for an unforgettable 5-night Bahamas cruise departing August 1st, 2026. Sail from Norfolk aboard a beautiful cruise ship with stops in Bimini and Celebration Key. Enjoy crystal clear water, tropical beaches, delicious food, island adventures, and non-stop fun. Prices currently range from around $831 to $914 per person. Book early and start your paradise getaway today. Get ready for 6 unforgettable nights in the Bahamas departing August 10th, 2026. Sail from Norfolk and explore Celebration Key, Nassau, and Bimini with crystal clear water, tropical beaches, island adventures, and non-stop entertainment. Prices currently range from around $704 to $929 per person. Book now and experience the ultimate Bahamas getaway. Escape to paradise on this 6-night Bahamas cruise departing August 30th, 2026. Sail from Norfolk and enjoy unforgettable stops in Bimini, Nassau, and Celebration Key. Relax on beautiful beaches, explore crystal clear water, enjoy amazing food and entertainment, and create memories that last a lifetime. Prices currently range from around $694 to $719 per person. Book early and save your spot today. Escape to Bermuda on this unforgettable 4-night cruise departing August 6th, 2026. Sail from Norfolk and discover the beauty of King's Wharf with crystal clear water, colorful island views, relaxing beaches, delicious food, and incredible entertainment. Starting at around $999 per person, this tropical getaway is perfect for a quick escape filled with unforgettable memories. Book now and sail to paradise. Experience the ultimate Bermuda escape on this 7-night cruise departing August 16th, 2026. Enjoy 2 to 3 unforgettable days docked in beautiful Bermuda with pink sand beaches, crystal clear water, island culture, shopping, and relaxing tropical vibes. Prices currently range from around $774 to $817 per person. Book now and enjoy one of the best Bermuda cruise experiences from Norfolk. Set sail on an unforgettable 7-night Bermuda cruise departing August 23rd, 2026. Enjoy relaxing overnight stays in beautiful Bermuda with more time to explore pink sand beaches, island culture, crystal clear water, shopping, and amazing local food. Prices currently range from around $696 to $765 per person. Escape the ordinary and experience paradise from Norfolk this summer. Thank you for watching and being part of the MIM View Travel Channel family. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next cruise adventure.